Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Okay, Sobat Getris, now I will try to teach all of you how to modify maybe image, yeah, or object. Now we'll see. For this example, I want to make this object. I want to make this object focus, focus for our eyes. Yeah, we can do the step from selected this object, use polygonal lasso tool. Yeah, after that we can copy and then create new layer and then paste the selection object. Look like the result look like this. Yeah, before I selected this object, use polygonal lasso tool. After that, copy the selection area and create new layer and then paste on new layer. Yeah, look like this. Yeah, okay, now we will try to make this layer, yeah, zero layer. I want to use filter and then sub blur, yeah, sub blur, and then Gaussian blur. Yeah, and we will see the preview of window Gaussian blur. Maybe we will try. Okay, we will see the result like this. Yeah, okay, look like this. Yeah, okay, I will try to use 9 pixel, maybe look like this. If we want to use radius, then we can push the button OK. After that, we can visible the result. That's great. Yeah, okay. If we want to repair, yeah, look like this. Yes, like this. Yeah, choose the layer first. We can use where is the this blur tool, yeah, blur tool, and then choose the master diameter. Okay, you can choose okay, and then we try to prepare this. Okay, that's it. Yeah, be careful. Okay, then like this, that, and make the object.
See you soon, Sobatris. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share, guys. Turn on notification.